How to enable or disable double tap to turn off screen on Samsung Mobile. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set this setting. So as you guys can see, I have my home screen on my phone. So if I just double tap, it will completely turn off my screen. And if I double tap again, it will turn on my screen. So I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable this setting. For that, you just need to head over to your settings, and if you scroll down, you will see this advanced features. Just tap on it. And once you are here, what you have to do is you have to go to motion and gestures. Just tap on it and you will see this option called double tap to turn on screen. You can just turn it off. And now if I go back to my home screen and try to double tap, it won't work. So to do that, you just double tap to turn on the screen and double tap to turn off the screen. So you just have to disable both of these. And if I double tap, nothing will happen. Even if I turn off my phone and double tap, nothing will happen. So I'm double tapping right now. This is just a single tap option that is showing. It is not completely opening my screen. So yeah, that's how you can enable or disable the double tap to turn off or on screen. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.